Artificial intelligence brings significant changes in various fields. Design is one of them. Now anyone can create outstanding designs with AI. And the fun fact is many are making huge bucks by creating designs with AI. In today's video, I am going to share a platform where you can sell your AI art. You can even create or manipulate your design with it. So, watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. First of all, we need to select a niche. Nature, people, and food are the most popular niches. Or you can research with Google Bard. After coming to Google Bard, just enter the prompt as 3 most popular image niches in stock marketplace and then select one of them. Alright, now an important thing you have to keep in mind. You can find a vast number of free AI art generators on the internet. But the problem is they didn't provide a commercial license. So, I will suggest avoiding those and using who gives the commercial license. Platforms like Midjourney can be the best one. Today, I will use another one, AISEO Art. AISEO Art is an outstanding AI art generator, and most importantly, it provides a commercial license to us. First of all, we need to create an account. Click on the avatar icon from here and then select Login. You can sign up with a Google or email account. After successfully creating an account, come to the dashboard. Now click here to select a model. You will get some art generator models here. Select one as per your need. For example, I want to generate ultra-realistic art, so I am selecting the OpenJourney model. After selecting the model, you can add a filter. To do this, click on Choose a Filter and then select your desired filter. I won't use any filter at this time. Okay, now it's time to enter our prompt. If you are not so good at prompt, you can take the help of AI for prompt generation. If you are good at prompt generation, then you can skip this part and start from 3.06 minutes. For prompt generation, I will use a tool called GravityWrite. I will put all of the links in the description box. After coming to the GravityWrite website, click on Start Creating for free. Now create an account with your Google or email account. In the left panel, you will notice a vast number of tools listed. We have to select the Image Prompt tool. There are 2 options: AI Art and Logo Design. Select the AI Art tool. Now we have to enter our design idea. First, enter the design concept. For example, I am entering, a hummingbird is flying. After the design concept, add what action should the subject be doing? Just enter flying. Then add the time and day of the environment, and lastly select the art form. I am selecting photography. After all is set, hit the Create Content button. And here it is. GravityWrite generates 4 prompts for us. And all of them are really good prompts. Now copy one of them and then come back to AISEO Art. Paste the prompt, select the image size, and then hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the image. And here it is. You can see the image. That's really cool. Now download the image. Alright, our image is ready. Now the question is how we can monetize our AI-generated art. Many will suggest selling this art on various platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Miri Canvas. But what if you can sell your art on all of the platforms by uploading it on just one platform? Yes, you can do it. And I am talking about Wirestock.io. Wirestock is an AI-powered marketplace for designers. Here you can submit your art, vector, and even videos and earn substantial money. The most fun fact is it allows you to generate art with some other incredible features. Today we will explore all of them step by step. First, let's create an account on Wirestock. Click on Sign Up from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, simply complete the account by providing your personal details. Okay, after completing the profile, upload your first art. Click on the Upload button from here, and then select Upload from the computer. Now select your AI-generated art. Oh, there is a problem. You can see that Wirestock only allows art larger than 4 megapixels. Don't worry, we can fix it with Wirestock. Before going there, I will suggest reading the content guidelines from here. Read the full content guidelines and keep them in your mind for the future. Alright, come back to the Wirestock upload page, close this page. Now click on the AI Tools button from here. You will notice some tools, such as AI Image Generator. That means you don't need to generate images on any other platform. That's cool. then the Reimagine. With this tool, you can change your image style. It allows you to restyle your images to anime, comic books, fantasy, line art, cinematic, 3D models, and many others. Okay, then the Image Mixer. With this tool, you can mix two images and create another unique image. You have to just upload two designs here and it will create your new design. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let me know in the comments section. After the Image Mixer, you will find the Face Swap option. With this tool, you are able to swap faces between two different people. And in the last, the Image Upsampler. With this tool, you can turn your low-resolution image into a high-resolution image. Select this tool. Now click on the Upload button from here and then upload your AI-generated art. It will automatically upscale your image. After upscaling your art, you will find two options: Download and Post. If you want to download the image, click on the Download button. But I will post it on Wirestock. Click on the Post button. Now we have to enter some data. First of all, you will notice Challenge. At this time, this option is not for us. It's basically an AI art generator competition run by Wirestock. Wirestock runs a daily AI art generation challenge. You have to just create art on the given topic and submit it on Wirestock. They give cash prizes to the daily winner. If you are an expert in AI art generators, then it can be another source of your income. Alright, let's move forward. If your image is AI generated, then click here. Now you have to select the AI model. After that, enter the prompt. Okay, on the next step, make sure Sell on Marketplaces is turned on. Now you will get two options, Easy and Manual. In the Manual option, you have to enter more details about your art. I will go with Easy. Now, if your image is about any event, news, or brand, then select it and then enter the related data. After that, select the marketplace places you want to post your image. And in the end, you have to add your captions. After all is set, click on Post. Before that, let me clarify one thing. In the free version, you will be able to submit only 5 images per month. If you want to publish more images, you have to upgrade your account. They have two premium packages. The first one is Premium and the second one is Premium AI. In the Premium package, you can submit 100 images on marketplaces with unlimited image upscales and the ability to download files with metadata. You have to pay just $7.79 per month. But in the Premium AI package, you will be able to submit 200 images on the marketplace, including 1,000 monthly AI generations, unlimited upscales, Reimagine, and Image Mixer features. And you have to pay less than $15 per month. That's a reasonable price and value for money. And the good news is that you will get 20% discount by using AI Lockup coupon code. Now let's talk about how much you can earn from Wirestock.io. Wirestock creators' sales commission ranges from 30% to 100%. That means if your art value is around $100, you will get a minimum of $70. Here is my income from Wirestock. You can see I have made above $1,300 by selling AI-generated art and my own clicked photo. You can notice I have got sales from more than 8 platforms. But I only post my images on Wirestock. This tool saves my time and effort. Wirestock is not just a marketplace like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Pond5. It's also an AI tools hub. It's a true gold digger for designers and creators. You can upload and sell your videos and monetize them also. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with selling AI art. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!